Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can block unwanted ads and pop-ups on Google Chrome. So it's really simple, so let's get started. First of all, open your browser, Google Chrome browser or whatever the browser you're using. Just open that browser, and in the address bar type ad blocker plus for Chrome, Google Chrome, and press enter. And here just click on the first link, ad block plus, and it will take you to the Google Web Store, and the extension will be open in front of you. Now you need to click on this blue button written as add to Chrome. Just click on it, and after that it will take a moment and your extension will start to download and install on your Google Chrome browser. And just click on add extension. So here you see ad blocker plus has been added to your Google Chrome. So in this way you can easily add this extension to your Google Chrome, and here you see ad blocker plus has been installed successfully. So we are going to check it whether it is working or not. Just open any page, Google Chrome will this extension will block that ads for you. So if you are using any browser, Safari, Opera, this extension is also available for that browsers as well. So here you see that YouTube this page open in front of us, and here you see it's blocked one ad on this page. So here you see, you can see this is blocking one ad, and if you want to disable it, just click on it and you can disable this extension on any page, any website if you want. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you found it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.